Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 black screen issue. So first you need to restart your PC by just press the power button for 10 seconds to force shutdown, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Sometimes a simple restart resolve temporary glitches. And if you are using external monitor, check your monitor cables, and if you are connecting any USB drive or something, please remove that and try to restart your computer. Then after try to boot into the safe mode, you need to force shut down PC at least 3 times to enter the Windows recovery environment. Once you are there, you can tap on troubleshoot option. Then after tap on advanced option and again startup setting and restart. Once it is restart, the list of the option will be appeared. In that list, you have to enter 4 key or F4 key. Depending on your computer, it will show which key you need to press to enter the safe mode. So then after you can able to enter the safe mode. Okay, you are in the safe mode. Assume you are in the safe mode right now. Right click on your start menu, go to device manager, select your display adapters, select your graphic driver, right click on it, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers, and again go back, tap on browse my computer for drivers, select this one, select your existing driver, tap on next. Once it is done, you can close this one, and again in your safe mode, go to setting, go to Windows update, go to update history in that option, scroll down and tap on uninstall updates. So these are the updates currently installed on your computer. Once you can click on it, you can see uninstall option here. You need to uninstall that latest update. Then after try to restart computer and check the issue is fixed or not. And once you are not in the boot mode, normal mode, try to press Ctrl Shift plus ESC together, then it will be open task manager like this. So you need to scroll down all the way down, tap on Windows Explorer, tap on restart, and again you need to come to the Windows recovery environment by first shutdowning your computer at least 3 times. Once you there, you can tap on troubleshoot, advanced option, and startup repair. This will automatically repair the startup related issues. Once it is done, you can restart and turn on your computer to check if it is fixed or not. And other than that, you can restore your system by again come to the Windows recovery environment, tap on troubleshoot, advanced option. In this time you need to choose system restore. If there is a restore point available, you can restore to that point. And then after you need to come to the safe mode again and go to search bar in the safe mode, type regedit, for registry editor, just tap on it.